Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to extend backgrounds in Photoshop. Start by increasing your canvas size in Photoshop. Select the clone stamp tool and choose a soft brush. Hold Alt and sample the edge of your current background. Paint outward to fill the extra blank space. Match the textures and direction of the original background. Adjust brush hardness depending on surface details. If cloning skies or gradients, use low opacity for smoother transitions. For textures walls, use multiple sampling points to avoid repetition. Clone from light to dark areas carefully to keep tones balanced. Zoom in on details like shadows or lines for accuracy.